Hey y'all, and welcome back to Organically Designed. I'm Lindsay and this is Hot Mess Tips. I am sharing 3 tips with y'all today that I hope will help you manage those everyday things that much easier. I may be organized, but it took work. It is something that I've been working on probably my entire life. It does come somewhat easier for me, but that doesn't mean that my family doesn't go behind me and destroy things. I love them to death, but having to clean up after me would be easy, but I've got a teenager, a tweenager, and a toddler, and a husband to clean up after. So I wanted to share a few tips with y'all that help me keep the everyday that much more manageable. So number one thing that we're going to talk about are baskets. I have 3 baskets in my house, one for each kid. I'm going to insert an overview of those baskets. I've shared those in a previous video, and I keep them on my stairs just because it is a great access point. Whenever I find something around the house that is theirs, when it's downstairs, I toss it in those baskets. It is no longer my problem. So the awesome thing about the basket system is that you are tidying up, and as you go tidying up, you're not having to run up and down the stairs, run back and forth to someone's room, especially kids that are fully capable of putting things away themselves. Stop putting all the work on yourself. Make those kids do some of it too. So I have one basket for each kid, and as I find stuff, I put it in those baskets, and then I make sure that they take them up at the end of the night, and that way tidying up is that much easier. My next tip is going to be grab and go bin. Y'all have seen me do an overview of this quickly of my grab and go bin. I keep it on a shelf in my laundry room because that's the main door we go out of into the garage every day. This is a bin that I keep extra mask in, I keep gum in, car air fresheners, and little things like that, sanitizing wipes and things, so that way when we're rushing out the door in the morning, because believe me, I may set an alarm for 6 o'clock, but like this morning, I didn't get up and out of it until 6:40. So I was running and rushing around, and it is so nice to be able to have something right there before we leave, so that I don't have to go somewhere else to go grab a mask and go this way to go get this and blah blah blah. Y'all know how it is in the morning, but that way there's a central location for everything that my family needs when we're rushing out the door in the morning, or we're having to rush to go somewhere else, because I feel like as a mom, as a parent, as a person, we are in such a go, go, go world. So I wanted something that was easy to grab and go, hence the name my grab and go bin. The other thing, and my last one for today, is my hanging paper storage. The thing that takes up a lot of our counter space is we're just tossing mail on the counter. I absolutely hate it. I hate it, hate it, hate it. Every day when we come in, if we have mail, we put it in our top sorter, and then we'll go through it, and then if it's a bill, it stays up there. If it's something that has been paid or just needs to be filed, it goes into the lower bin. I have showed y'all this before. I've even showed my sorting system, but I'll be sure to insert a little clip of that too, and so that y'all can kind of see my paper system. Awesome thing about these hanging wall racks or paper organizers, whatever you want to call them, because let's be honest, I can never remember like the correct names and terminology for things sometimes, so I make up my own. But the awesome thing about having something hanging on your wall and kind of making a command center for yourself is that your family is able to just put something somewhere, and it keeps your countertops clear. This helps you feel like, even though you have to go through all of those papers, it is going to make things appear so much more clean, and it's going to be so much more manageable. And let's be honest, with everything that we have to do on a day-to-day basis, keeping things easy, keeping things simple, efficient, and manageable is definitely the way to a calm evening with the family, and just being able to enjoy your time without having to stress out about all the piles of things everywhere. So be sure to hit the like button and the subscribe button if you liked these tips today. I am going to start sharing more little short videos of my tips and tricks that I use around my home to keep things efficient, manageable, and under control. As always, stay organically you and have an amazing rest of your day.